In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop backup in Google Photos. Okay, so I'm not going to waste your time here. Stopping the backup is actually very easy. So what you need to do is first open up the Google Photos app. So I'm already in the app here. Now, if you click on the button in the top right-hand corner, make sure you're on the correct Google account. So it's going to show all of your accounts. You can go ahead and enable or click on the one that you want to edit here and stop the backup. Now, once you've done that and you're on the right account, you can see I've got 200 gigabyte of storage. You can always upgrade if you want, but if you just want to stop backup, click on Google Photos Settings. It's going to be at the bottom. Once you've done that, it's going to show you here that you're backing up to the Google account, so click on Backup. Here, once you're on backup, you can just simply disable it by clicking on this button at the top, and if you uncheck this, it's going to stop the backup. If you do want to save a bit of data though, you can go to backup quality at the bottom and you can change it to storage saver. But that is how you can stop backup. I hope that helped.